So Diane, do you want to experience these two amazing electrical crystals in the V-gridding?
I would love to.
With a little warning. Comes with a little warning. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? It's a little bit of a jolt.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see if that's what happens to you, all right? Here it goes.
Yes. Right down.
It's strong, isn't it?
It is strong.
It's really,
strong.
It's like, oh, we're watching paint dry and they're making a noise about it. It's like dramatization. All right, let's see. Tell me if it gets too intense. It got a bit intense for me, I have to admit.
Legs were twitching. It's crazy.
It is, it's crazy, I agree. It's exactly how, I just wanted to laugh. It was so strong.
I just feel twitching.
You know, I think if people have, you know how they stimulate horses with electrical stimulus to help them after they've been racing and so on. I think after people have been working out, I think this will go well. So it will go well with the dioxide and Thunder Bay Amethyst, relaxing the irritable fascia, but also the stimulus to the tissue.
I would agree.
And I wonder if it would help with weight loss. You know how there are those machines that vibe you and, you know, they vibrate you and help your metabolism that way? I wonder if it would help with that.
It's strong.
Can you manage?
I can manage.
Okay. Do you like it?
I do.
Okay. I do also check with my guides when something is this strong, because modulating the energy is quite hard. It's quite a hard thing to learn. You know, we're not really doing anything, or it's harmless or whatever, but actually you don't want to overdose.
Yeah.
And you don't want to, you know, overwhelm people. You don't want to blast them. You can't help it. No, you're like, oh, she's making a fuss about nothing, but then you feel it and it's like, ooh, yeah, that is something.
It's a jolt, like you said.
It is, it's a jolt.
It is.
It's like a caffeine jolt.
Yes.
Right.
It was interesting because when you were doing my right side, I could feel a jolt even on my left side.
Yes, it's a whole system.
It is.
It is, it's a whole system. I agree. And what I enjoyed was the clarity when it was done, when the last baby finger side was done. Do you get that feeling of fullness or satisfaction, completion?
Yes.
Yeah.
Complete, that's a good way to put it. Just overall.
Yeah. It raises vibrational frequency.
It does.
Phenomenally, doesn't it?
It is crazy how you just, like, my muscles were jerking or
reacting.
Reacting.
As if they were having electrodes in them.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's exactly.
It's crazy.
Do you want to feel it, Val? Do you want to experience it? Okay, come on over. Let's give you a shot at this. Okay, Val, do you want to try this out?
Absolutely.
the paint, watching paint dry and oohing and ahhing about it. All right, shall we go?
Yes.
Okay. Here it comes. There's an actual moment where you can feel it. It's funny, isn't it?
Oh, wow. It's like little sparks.
You thought we were exaggerating, didn't you?
No.
Yes, admit it. I can't help it. I was like, really? Do I really believe what I'm saying now? This stuff's so phenomenal. There, I've got the thread. I can go up. We go a little bit more quickly now. Good. The system likes us. You actually need it. One can kickstart an organ, you know, with this. I think the spleen as part of immune boost. And for people that are trying to lose weight, the liver. Because the liver is key to, the condition of the liver is key to losing weight.
About the adrenals.
I would be scared to stimulate adrenals because they get fatigued from overstimulation. So I would have to actually test, experiment with it, ask the adrenals, see what happens. You know what I mean? I think adrenals are, and we have techniques for helping the adrenals which are pretty good. So I would say maybe thyroid. Because that's the beginning of that whole cascade. In fact, let's see. You go into your thyroid. Ooh, you're quite strong. Did you feel it? It like jolted your thyroid. I'm a bit scared to do too much, you know. You got to be cautious sometimes. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the white apopholites connecting. You know, when we bring healing to life and we get the white apopholites connecting with each other.
Spark.
This is feeling calmer now on this side, like more, like your body can take it. Cool. Amazing.
Yes. Very relaxing.
Does it feel complete?
It does. I feel more settled.
Good.
Balanced.
Yeah. And how does your brain feel?
Calmer.
Like an evenness. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, that's great. But I've remembered something else, so we'll get to that. And that was fantastic. Thank you.